So I think I might have come up with a repair for my mistake here. And the only best solution I can come up with is I do have a center line on this, drawn on this. I'm going to cut it right in half. Or actually, before I do that, I got lucky and had one piece each of the wood that was built from. So I glued them together. I'm going to trim the bottom board to match the top one with the router so they're the same, and center line this, cut it in half and glue this right in place. So that's just going to splice it together, back together. So kind of like rebuilding it again in the center. The hardest part will be, I think, as I glue it back together, keeping it from the glue from shifting and sliding, because it does do that a lot on a shape like this, and getting out of alignment. And maybe then I could still trim it down or something if that happens. So that's going to be my solution for now. I think it's going to work. I got the centerpiece cut out. I got everything glued back together. Or actually, it's not glued yet. It's waiting for the glue to dry. Put the new pieces in, clamped down, waiting for it to dry. I think I have enough room where I don't even think you're going to know what happened. So, really happy. Hope this works out. As long as these don't slide out of place and dry in the wrong place tonight or something. But I got them clamped down pretty good. They shouldn't go anywhere. So there we go. New piece glued in. I'm going to have to sand all the glue off. Make sure everything's sanded level. And then I have plenty of room for my template. This is the final size and everything it needs to be. And this time I will use this template so I don't make the mistake and cut where I'm not supposed to. That's what I should have done in the first place, actually. I should have just started with this template. I have it drawn out where I need to cut everything. Gives me lots of room for the template. Use the router, get it down to the correct size, and go from there. And then we'll have a guitar body out of this unless I screw up again. Cross my fingers and hope I don't make another stupid mistake. So I have the body all straightened out now. I have it cut out a little bit larger than the template. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be taking this template and sticking it onto this, like this, and putting it on the router table and going around, and it'll bring it to the exact size and shape as this. Now how I do that, I have carpet tape, and the carpet tape will stick this to the wood body blank, whatever you want to call it, and then it makes a real good tight or real good stick. It sticks to it really well, and that way I can take it on the router table, and when it's done it'll be the exact same size and shape as this, except for this. I'm not going to route that out or cut it. I mean, that will be routed out later, but right now I just need to get the shape of the guitar.